Hello, my name is Jessie, and today I will show you how to import data to the LMS. This process is used so that your training records can be accessed in one place. If you have courses in the system that require users to recertify at some point, this process will acknowledge that process and assign them the training when it is time. For the import to associate users with the proper training, the course and the user must already exist in the LMS. Once logged into the LCMS, go to the right drop-down bar, click Admin, and then select Users. You'll be brought to this page where you can import historical course enrollment data. Quick quiz, true or false. Importing data is useful because this is where you can upload specific criteria that you previously made in Excel for your specific students. False. That is a user upload process. This process is about loading historical course completion data. Column A should be an email or user ID. This is required. If the user is not found in the LMS, a record will indicate user not found and a log file generated at the conclusion of the import process. Column B should be the course name, and this is required as well. The imported course name in the spreadsheet and the course name in the LMS must match exactly for it to be found and created properly. If it is not, a record will be left in the log file identifying it as course not found. Column C should be one of the indicated acceptable status values. This is case sensitive, so be careful to match it exactly. This is a required field too. The acceptable status values are passed, completed, not attempted, failed, and incomplete. Column D should be a score, and this is an optional input. This score should be a number only. In the system, a score is a percentage, but do not include the percentage symbol in the import. Column E should be a completion date, and this is optional. This field should be included if the course is passed, failed, or completed so that proper system functionality is maintained. For instance, if a course needs to be taken each year and I am importing as completed but do not include a completion date, an automatic enrollment cannot happen because the system would not know when to enroll a user. Column F should be the time spent, and this is an optional input. This is a seldom used input, but if you want to compare the average time it takes to complete a course, you should include it here so that the data is available. In Excel, create a spreadsheet and make the first row your header as in the example. Complete the table as necessary to import your data. Once all of the users in the required fields have been entered, delete the top row of criteria. If this row is not deleted, it will make for an incorrect import into the LCMS. Shift all the data up a row by selecting the entire top row, right-clicking, and selecting Delete. When adding the date to your Excel document, make sure it is in the correct format. Please note that the year needs to be 4 digits. PowerPoint will automatically make the year 2 digits when 4 is needed for this document. To change the date format, select the date column on the right side of the screen. A drop-down option will appear. Select More Number Formats. A pop-up will then appear. Scroll all the way down and then select the correct format. Save your Excel spreadsheet as a tab-delimited text file without any symbols in the name of the file. Make sure it is saved as a Windows-formatted text file if you are using a Mac. Be sure to save the file to a location where you can easily find it. In this example, I will save it to my desktop. Once the document is uploaded, you will be brought to a page to see any import errors that occurred. Click here. If everything uploaded correctly, you will be brought to a blank web page. If there are errors, you will be brought to a text page with what specifically was not imported. Before you import data, a user and a course have to be previously created so the system has a place to import the data. In this example, I did not make a user 4 in the system, and I used a lowercase a for online course A. The system is case sensitive, so be sure everything is uniform. To make sure that your data has been added to the correct users, you can spot check the data by going to the user page and viewing their transcripts. On the first column, click the first user transcript icon. Once you click the transcript icon, you will be brought to their transcript. In the Enrollments section of the page, it will show you what class the user is enrolled in. Thanks again for taking the time to learn how to use our learning management system. Please let us know if you need any additional help. You can contact us at ezsupport@ezlcms.com. Have a great day.